Hello. So I wasn't planning on making any video today because I don't think that we need to talk about Bitcoin. In the same time, we need to talk about. I was just watching that Martini guy's depressing live stream. I didn't watch it till the end or from the beginning. I just watched it for like 2 minutes, and he was painting dicks on the chart. He's that depressed. Now I want to understand I want you to understand a couple of things. Yes, probably we are going into the bear market, and everybody said that if we break the 40,000, we will go to the bear market. Now everybody's gonna say if we break the 30,000, we will go to the bear market or into the bear market. Now both of these are true, but there are a couple of other things. This is not minus capitulation. This is still not big sell-offs. This is still not whales dumping Bitcoin on exchanges. This is related to a lot of other things than crypto, outside of the crypto bubble. I told you on Friday that if the DJI, the Dow Jones Industrial Index, goes below this red line, we might be in a bear market on the stock market. If we go into bear on stock, then crypto will suffer, altcoins will be wiped out. Obviously, this needs to be confirmed, but as you can see on the chart, we are somewhere there. Now, and just to make sure that you understand, it's this red line, okay? Not the. I will put the text here. Okay, let's go forward. The next one, which has a very big effect on crypto, is the S&P 500. I will go beyond. This is beyond the meat. You can buy it. It's pretty good. I'm gonna buy some because it hit a very low support. I will see. I will just long it, but I need to wait for S&P 500 to recover, because as you can see, this is today's production of S&P 500. Now, if the trading chart analysis is correct, this should be the bottom, because the RSI is as low as it was. Well, it was once when it had this big drop, but this drop here wasn't even close to what we've seen in the last 2 days. Okay, let's move forward. What we are looking at, we need to see that these kind of indexes like the UK is showing some kind of upward movement. Also the same for the German index, which doesn't really want to recover, and it's just dropping all day today. By the way, I shorted this. That was good. But in the meantime, I was trying to find a bottom and a turnaround, and I also lost some money. So I'm not gonna say that I'm in zero. I'm in a bit of a plus, but not too much. I don't think I could pay the meal for today by the profit with the profit I made on the German index today. Gold, what gold is doing? Well, gold is also going down, I guess. I don't know. Gold is moving so slow that I just can't tell whether it's pumping or not. As you can see, I drew this triangle months ago, and yeah, it's still in the play. So I don't know whether this is bullish or bearish. We will see where it wants to break out. We have a couple of tries here. Maybe gold will pump and will go up an entire %. We will see. Netflix is suffering so much, and if anyone is wondering why Netflix dropped 22% yesterday and today another, I don't know, 8, it was because in the last quarter they had a plus 8 million subscribers on Netflix, and they prognosed that they gonna have only 2.2 million in the next quarter. Therefore, it seems that the market realized that Netflix is overpriced, and the price is going back into this range, or maybe lower. I don't know. All I know is that I longed it for a small retest. I scalped it and took everything out, because it seems that Netflix is also gonna go a bit lower. Let's talk about Aaron and Ethereum. Ethereum is at the 2200s, and please remember what I said in my tweet. You know what? I'm gonna show you that tweet, because we should see that tweet. I said that if S&P 500 drops 13%, then Bitcoin will go to the 30, Ethereum to 2K, and Aaron to between 100 and 120. So far, S&P 500 went to the 4,270 was the bottom. It seems that it kind of tries to go back. I don't know if it's gonna go back or not, but I don't expect too much recovery in a short time, because the US troops are going to Poland, I mean to Ukraine, so on so on. A lot of things are happening, and the market is suffering. In the meantime, they are also talking about the tapering and to hike rates and so on so on. And I also have a feeling that the market is already pricing these future big problems, or big rate hikes and whatever the Fed is saying. And when they come and when they make the statement how much they hike the rates, how much they are gonna taper, so on so on, the price will be actually lower than it should be. So we will have this another interesting phenomena when the bad news are coming but the price is pumping. So that could be for Bitcoin and for all the other assets as well. But this is a big drop. This is a big drop, because I remember when Bitcoin went down 20% or 10%, and I just told you that don't worry, because S&P 500 went down 5%, and that is huge. Now this is the big one, and I don't think that I've seen DJI this low for some time. Last time this was in September, and this was in June. Yeah, we are almost at the same level as last year in June, but that is the same for all of them. So Arond, well, I am surprised by Arond. Arond is at the 123. With the momentum, it is coming down from $500. I was expecting Arond to go lower. Even if I said that, okay, the technical data, what I see on the chart, so on says 100, 120. But after this drop, and I mean like vertical drop, not the dying out slowly as I was prognosing it, Arond is doing quite good. And is this an inverted double header? I don't know. Probably people are buying up Arond. So what am I doing right now? If you're asking me, what I'm doing is dollar cost average. I'm gonna buy some Bitcoin. I'm gonna buy some Ethereum. Obviously, I'm gonna buy Arond. And in the meantime, I am staking everything. Now, we could say that let's just pack our things and go and see you in 2024. But I don't think so. I think we still have a couple of things to do here, and many of you already think that I'm gonna just shut down the channel and come back when the next bull market is starting. That is not the case. I will still come back with videos. I will continue this, and we will check on crypto, also on stock market. We will diversify a bit. If this is the bear market and we go down, we will, as I promised, we will make a plan to put into crypto and maybe into stock market a bit of money each time, every month, and just prepare for the next leg up, because that is when you make money. Not when you start buying in the bull market, but when you start to buy in the bear market. So this is our plan. This is our next move: to buy low, to accumulate, to find new projects. It's where we can buy coins for cheap, and we can accumulate, and we can follow them, and yeah, we can cheer about their success. And yeah, that's what we are gonna do. Life is not gonna stop because bear market is starting, but we will see about the bear market as well, because I do want to wait out what is happening here and obviously here. By the time this one goes back here, if it goes back there, and that's not gonna be next month, and DJI also goes back there, and Bitcoin and crypto is not moving, then yeah, that's gonna be a proper bear market. But now I think I can state that I'm 85% sure that we are entering the bear market. 30k still needs to be broken. Just saying. Okay. Don't be depressed, don't panic. It is what it is. We can't really do anything about that. Don't worry, don't panic sell. Make sure that you stake any coin you have, because yeah, you can get a 5, 6, 8, 10% reward per year, which is much more than what you would get from the banks for your fiat money. So yeah, that is the best corrective action you can do if you are in minus, and many people are in minus. I'm also with many coins in minus. I'm not gonna do anything else. just take them and leave them there. Take care.